Alright, the first thing I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna comb the hair down. Then I'm gonna get the Andy's T outliner and ball out the back like in an oval shape. That way the back of the lineup could be darker whenever I line it up at the end. And right here I'm gonna get the 5-star shaver and start balling out the back of it all even. Alright, next we have our next guideline. We're gonna open the lever all the way open, and then we're gonna go up an inch. Alright, now we're gonna close our lever all the way and just flick out that middle line that we created. To blend it more, I use the Andy's T outliner and go on that line again, just flick it out and I create another line. Just keep on flicking out till the fade's more blended. I got the number 1 with the lever open, and I'm gonna go like about another inch high and flicking out at the same time. Next is the number 1 still with the lever closed all the way, and just flick out that middle line that we created again. Next is the 1/16 and just flick out that middle line. Next, I use the magic clips with the lever closed, flicking out any other stuff that I left behind, any dark marks or anything. Using my long number 2 with a comb to guide my guidelines and just flick out at the same time. Alright, the same steps that I did for the back taper are the same steps I'm going to do for the side tapers. This is the after cut. If y'all like it, make sure y'all subscribe, like, and share, and all that good shit.